We live in a state known for remote locations and extreme weather. We get the really cold and heavy snows in the winter, and in the summer we have extreme heat. These are some really great reasons to always have an emergency kit with us wherever we are and in whatever vehicle we are using. We've used our emergency kit when stranded at work in a snowstorm, as well as being stuck in the remote backcountry during the hot summer. There are things we keep in certain vehicles that pertain to that vehicle. For example, you can see our side-by-side has a winch that we have used multiple times. But no matter if it's off-road or paved road vehicles, here are some essentials we always try to keep with us. We keep these essentials in a little backpack. You can get these on Amazon. I've also seen them at the dollar store. It doesn't need to be expensive, just durable. Inside the front pocket, we keep disposable rain ponchos. These have also been used as a type of picnic blanket in a pinch. We keep emergency blankets, as well as chapstick, a whistle, and some Neosporin for any small cuts. Waterproof matches are essential. We also keep flint and steel in our side-by-side. We keep one of these water purification bottles, as well as a bottle of water. We keep some simple freeze-dried foods and snacks, and I always keep a little something I know our grandkids would like in case they happen to be with us. I don't keep any disposable bowls or plates because we can just eat the food out of the containers they come in, but in our off-road vehicle, we do keep an old-school mess kit. Disposable utensils, though, are a necessity. We keep a light or a glow stick and all necessary medications. We also include hand warmers as well as gloves and hats during the winter months, and always a garbage bag. In the comments, let us know what you keep in your vehicle emergency kit. Thanks for watching.